Hi, it's Lynette here. So today I have my nail polish pan. I'm going to show you what I've used, and I've used a huge amount of polishes this month. I added in 2 new colours. I picked up one from the CND Vinylux range, and it is, I can't read what that says at the bottom, need a magnifying glass, but it's kind of like a sagey green. That's nice. Used that a couple of times, and I picked this one up from Primark. It's their Gel Squad Gel Effect nail polish. It was only about £1, really nice. So the 2 items added in this month. I didn't get round to using the OPI red, but because we're coming up to Christmas, I will pop it back in. And I've used the Nails Inc Casual Dress Up. I used that predominantly as a base coat because it's so light. The Nailberry, I haven't actually marked the usage, but you can see there. That's really dark, but I enjoyed wearing darker colours in the winter. I felt this one was quite festive as well. The Primark polish that I bought, I think it was last year. Another Nailberry. So this is really good because it dries quickly. Again, I don't think I've marked this up, but I will for the next video. The Gel Effect from Nails Inc. So that also comes with a 45-second dry-in top coat. I like that for if I'm going into work or whatever. The Nails Inc Nude Girls. I always like to have some nudes in my collection. I also used the Legit My Mood. Again, I've not marked it up yet. What else have we got? The Nailberry Love Me Tender. Did have a couple of those. I think that might be the last one. The Back to Life, that's a kind of nail repair, recuperate and glow. I use that every now and again. I also finished 2 colours. I finished the Nailberry, don't know why my voice is going so high. I finished this one, I think it's the strawberry one. That's nice. Nice dark pink. And I finished the OPI, what's this one called? Susie San Climbs Fuji San. So I finished that one. However, I did add these 2 greeny colours into my collection. So this is the fun part. I put everything in the one box so that I can pick them. So I can show you as I'm having a wee look. So since it's Christmas, right, so I just brought the box up. There's not many in here now, is there? But I will show you. I am going to pick out the next one. I think this is Anaconda. I use that sparingly because I love it. I think it's really festive. I think this Revlon, the Ultra HD Snap, will be quite nice. Now I've got to bring out the Nails Inc sparkly one. It's Chelsea Embankment, and the Avon Sparkling Crystals. That has to come out at this time of year. Sometimes you can just use it as a top coat, and I don't know why my voice keeps going up. I'm annoying myself. So this Nails Inc one is designed for Christmas. It's called Bobble Bobble Baby. This is definitely for Christmas, isn't it? What else will I pick? Oh, this Nails Inc. 'Tis the Season to Sparkle. That's definitely going to have to go in. And I will put the OPI red back in. I'm going to pop this one back in. What else will I pop back in? I think the Primark one's nice and festive. I am in the office next week, so I'll maybe pick out these 2. I'm going to pop the rest back in here, and then I will show you what I've got. I will show you what I've picked. Right, so I have the Nailberry Love Me Tender, the Legit, so it's both kind of nudie colours. The Primark nail polish, what's this one called? Tinseltown. See, definitely festive, isn't it, with that name? The 'Tis the Season to Sparkle, that's lovely. I don't know if you can see it looks like, you know, the foil coloured nails you used to get. Not foil colours, because foil's a texture, isn't it? Bobble Bobble Baby. We're definitely keeping on the trend with some of these names, aren't we? OPI, because I think you definitely need a nice festive red, and that is. And I forgot to say, There's a colour that's still downstairs, and that's the Barry M Chrome Silvery Polish, but I was fixing my nails earlier, so I forgot to bring it back upstairs. These two sparkly ones, which are lovely over, you can pick a colour, so say do a red and you can put that sparkle over it, it's really nice. Paint get off likes, but it's nice. The Revlon Ultra HD Snap, I do love that colour, I will definitely get more of that colour. And the Anaconda, so it's a wee bit of a whistle stop today because I'm filming this while I've got half an hour in between my meetings, so if I'm talking really fast I apologise, but I will speak to you soon. Bye.